All this is going to the tip transfer station. Morning all. A continuation of the old tank removal. I won't know till editing how much I got or lost yesterday between flat batteries and wet weather. It's been a challenge. But look at today. Majestic, isn't it? The view from up here. Have a look around. It's awesome. Oh, that's why I love it up here so much. Anyway, I just got rid of over there 15 bags of cement gone to waste and thought they wrapped it up in the plastic, but wrong. One thing I can tell you though, this is something for people who want to know about galvanized metal tanks with the plastic insert. This tank was assembled minimum 22 years ago. This poly, that poly there, has been neglected for 22 years. It's amazingly strong and amazingly good condition. So I wouldn't use it, but it goes to show you that was 22 years ago technology. You can only imagine what modern tank liners are like. If they last that long, I'd be pretty happy. So anyway, I've got to pick all this up. But yeah, look at it. Still malleable. All this is going to the tip transfer station. I'll be able to reveal this beautiful slab. Well, there you have it. Slab is cleared. Bit of a sweep, but pretty confident this will definitely be usable. You'd be hard pressed not to build up here, but I just don't like the idea of seeing everybody coming up here to a state. So we'll probably build that down the hill there. So out of this I got 4 pretty good curved pieces of corrugated iron. That'll make a handy roof. I've got probably half a dozen star pickets to cut them off. So I'll concrete it in, but quick nip with the grinder on 3 sides and you got yourself a pointy star picket to reuse. That's what this is about, not spending money, avoiding spending money as much as possible. Anyway, it's coming along nicely. I must say it's pretty happy with the progress. It's been a busy few months. For every job done, another 2 jobs are created. So we just keep plodding along, see where it takes us to next. What have I got myself into? I reckon I can drag those things up and over a beam and across the top. And I reckon I can turn them into a roof. I reckon a lot of things that I haven't been able to do, but I'm going to do it anyway, or at least try to. The theory is level off the center posts and I'll level them off, put a beam across. I'm going to try and drag these up and over and onto this and fix them to that. And they're supposed to overlap just slightly. I still think it's going to be the full width, but I may have to do a bit of flat sheet on one end or the other. It'll be curved most of the way, maybe a flat sheet on that end. The other side we're going to cut the post lower, and that's just going to be flat sheeting on that side. So, will I succeed, or will it come crashing down? Stay tuned. We have actually put a deposit down on nice big water tank for the hill. Stay tuned for that one. Mrs. Wild has made the call on that one and she's decided that's the avenue. I agree. It's going to make my life easier. I won't have to build any sort of roof to capture the water that falls from the sky, because that's what we have to live on out here. There is no bore. We've got to have enough rainwater to sustain a family of 4. You have a great day, guys and gals. Curve, move, you wait.